Welcome back to the Horsepower Factory, and today we've got another US big rig in the shop in the form of a Chevy Silverado ZR2. And it's a small upgrade today, and what we're fitting is a Walkinshaw catback exhaust system. First one we fitted to one of these, so let's get it up on the hoist, get it fitted and see how different it sounds compared to the original exhaust.
Before we fit the Walkinshaw catback, let's first have a listen to the original exhaust for reference. Nothing very inspiring there, and certainly not something that makes the car sound as tough as it looks. So it's onto the hoist, where we will remove the factory exhaust, which comprises of a restrictive centre muffler that exits out the rear into a single tube that splits into a Y section with two smaller mufflers before exiting into hidden dump pipes. The upgraded Walkinshaw catback, now fitted, has a free-flowing sports centre muffler that exits into twin pipes and a pair of sports hot dogs, then into twin side exiting tips that can now be seen and really complement the vehicle. But it's ultimately all about the sound, so you decide.
So another great quality product from Walkinshaw with a fantastic sound, you'd have to admit. Now, if you want to know more about our Walkinshaw upgrades for the Silverado platform, such as superchargers, suspension upgrades, GVM upgrades, a GVM upgrade actually coming out for the ZR2 very soon, get in touch with us at hp-f.com.au or call us on 1-800-GO-FAST.